Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing these Martha White brownie bites. So if you've lost your package or you just like a visual guide, we are here to help. We've got everything that we need assembled here. You are of course going to need your brownie mix, a bowl to mix things up in, a mini muffin pan, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg, some nonstick spray or butter or oil to grease your pan with, some toothpicks to check and make sure everything is done at the end, a spoon to mix everything up with, and a spatula to get everything out of the bowl at the end. First thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're going to prepare our pan by spraying it with some cooking spray or putting in some oil into each well. You could also line it with mini muffin cups if you have those. And then we can set our pan aside and start preparing our mix. We're gonna open up our brownie mix, put it in our bowl, and then add in our 3 tablespoons of oil and our 1 egg, and then mix until smooth for about 1 minute. Make sure that you're scraping down the sides and bottom of your bowl because there will be dry mix hiding under there.
If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there.
Now we're going to fill our mini muffin cups about 2/3 of the way full in each one, and this is supposed to make the full 24. I have not made it to the end and the batter it's almost gone. So I'm gonna see if I can just use what I have left to even out a couple of these that are even thinner than the rest, and we'll go from there. All right, so I was able to get 19 brownie bites out of here. It was supposed to make a full 24. So if you are wanting to get 24 portions out of here, you're gonna have to fill your muffin tins only halfway up. Now that our oven is preheated, we're going to pop this in for their recommendation of 12 to 14 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So I will come back and let you know exactly how long that takes in my oven.
If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content.
All right guys, it has been exactly 12 minutes in my oven and these definitely look like they are done. I'm just gonna take a toothpick and insert it in a couple of them, and I'm looking for it to come out mostly clean. A little bit of crumb is fine. They say all the way clean, but with a brownie, I feel like you should always look for there to be a little bit left on the toothpick. That way you know the center is going to be moist and fudgy. So here is our completed Martha White Brownie Bites brownie mix. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
All right guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.